This would have been called a pivot gun, as you can see, it can swing to either side. The original would have been a 9-pounder. The one you see in front of you is actually a 6-pounder. And then we've added a little sleeve inside of it that sleeves it down to about a 4-pounder. It makes it a little bit safer, a little easier to maintain. So in a minute, the crew will be rigging the gun, and they'll walk you through the steps as they go through them.
Alright, so to start off, we're going to see what the gun has recently been fired. So we're going to start out with searching the piece. We're going to take this device called a worm, it's got a closure at the end, and we're going to stick that down and go out and ensure that it's empty. And you can see over here, Mari is covering the vent of the gun with her thumb. That's to ensure that when I push down any sponges or any rods or anything, I'm not turning the barrel into a bellows and increasing the likelihood of sparks or embers going off. That's why I'm going to take the sponge, this wet one, and that's going to put out any sparks or embers theoretically lingering in the barrel. That top there is breaking the vacuum. After that, we're going to take the dry swab sponge, put that down there, and dry out the barrel. Captain got us clear permission to advance the charge.
Advance the charge.
All right, our charge for today is 6. We'll tell you when we're going to shoot, don't worry. All right, so our charge for today is 6 ounces of black powder wrapped in aluminum foil. Back in the day, it would have been a more hefty charge. It would have been wrapped in what's known as gun cloth. Gun cloth would probably just be a linen bag treated with chemicals to make it burn quicker. Back in the day, the job of retrieving charges would have been the job of a powder monkey, what's known as a powder monkey. That'd be an orphan boy, probably around the age of 6 or 7, somewhere around there. Boats generally had large warships. We had around 30 of them on board just for battles. Take the ram here and stick the charge firmly in the breech. Get out. First, you're out the gun.
Run out the gun.
Next step here is to run out the gun so we don't shoot up our own rigging.
We've already chosen not to shoot the captain, so.
Yeah.
Captain, power boat at 6 o'clock.
Thank you, Peter. Perfect.
Back in the day, you would have had a crew of around 6 or 8 people running a gun, and if you were good, you could shoot about once a minute. Permission to prick and prime.
Yeah,
Yep.
really just
We can-
we're good. Have to talk to us around the right minute. So can you drive first?
Alright, next we're going to take this device called a brick. It's made out of brass, and surprisingly enough, it's used to grip a hole in the charge. Put that down in there. Then we're going to take our fuse. Today we're using fireworks quick fuse. Back in the day, it would have most likely been just loose gunpowder poured down the touch hole. If you were really fancy, you could have gotten a duck quill and filled that up with powder. Put it right down there. All right, so I'm going to ask permission. I'm going to ask permission to fire from the captain. She's going to give it to me. But before that, I'm going to tell you how to keep your ears safe. Now, when I call out fire in the hole, you take your palms and hands and cover your ears like this. If you're taking a picture like a lot of you are, you're going to do something a little more like this. It's funny, but you won't damage your hearing. All right, permission to fire.
As soon as everyone covers their ears, I will then give permission. Oh boy.
Oh, we're losing our target.
All right,
All right, fire.
fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Got him.
Good.